Slippers, what have you done? Oh my good God.
It's bigger than him.
What?
Slippers.
Slippers? Slippers?
Oh my God.
How is it that you...
Don't wait, the girls are going to freak if they see that. How are we going to get... How did he get a duck?
Is it alive?
I don't think so. No, it's not alive.
Oh, Slippers, you stupid cat.
How did he kill a duck?
How did you get that through the cat flap? What?
How did he get it through the cat flap?
I don't know. Oh, crap. Can you get me a blanket?
Where?
Oh, a towel, I'm going to cover it. Right, okay. All right, duck. What? Shut up! Right, I'm shutting the door. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, right, okay. Hello, Mr. Duck. Okay, stay. Oh, sit down, duck. Oh my God. Right, stay there. Oh my God. Yes. I'm trying to do my best for you.
Open the window.
I'm just doing it.
Oh my God, get it off the bed.
It's off the bed. Yes, I know. Not an ideal start to the day, granted. Yes, I know. Bad day. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yes, quack. Okay. No, stay out. Okay. Yes.
Female mallard.
Right. Now, you need to get out of the window. Come on,
Ducky.
Away you go.
Wave a pillow at it. Shoot it with a cushion.
Come on. Away you go. Quack. Please go. Come on. Away you go. There we are. Freedom. Yes, go on. Away you go.
Off you go.
Born
We're very sorry,
free.
Mrs. Duck.
Yay! Come on.
Look, there it is. It's on the balcony.
I'm really sorry. I hope you have a
I'm
lovely
sorry
long
that our
life
cat didn't-
and lots of children.
Bye.
Bye.
Is it all right?
Free!
What the hell?
Ah.